Hello, campers and RVers. Well, another very busy day, and look who's worn out. She's out for the count, waiting for me to go to bed. Anyways, I wanted to tell you my latest dilemma, and that is the cabinet doors. And I've talked about this before. Um, Not only are these hinges a problem, and these are the grass door hinges. I think it's like 6,500, something like that. Actually, I probably have the number of it in here in my notes. It's for the stove. Oh, the grass hinge doors. 6065G. That's what all of the hinges in my coach are. They're very expensive and they don't last a whole heck of a whole lot of time. But I'd love to pull those out and get something that I can just pick up at any hardware store, a Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace True Value that you can find anywhere on the road. But that's an issue. And also this door closure here that you see on most of the coaches out there. And you can find replacement parts at like Camping World and stuff like that. Very expensive, in my opinion, especially if you're replacing them on a regular basis, which I have to do because I use my coach. Anyways, I'm trying to think of a solution where I can put something on the exterior of the doors to keep them always closed and I never have to worry about replacing these hitches inside. And the hard part is getting something that looks aesthetically pleasing. They do have these little latches that you can take, that you slide across, and it's like a pin, and you put it, through this little hole thing here, and that just doesn't really look all that great. So I'm really trying to find something that looks good and it's functional, and I wouldn't have to keep replacing. But that's my big dilemma right now. Well, one of my big dilemmas. And other than that, we're doing a lot of relaxation and just enjoying the weather. It's finally warm here. I don't have to wear, all kinds of layers. I can be outside in the great outdoors and enjoy the warm weather. It does get very cold at night, so I do have to close the windows and sometimes even in the morning turn on the heat to get the chill out. But other than that, everything else is going good. Just trying to come up with a solution on the hinges and some way that I can latch the door shut, that it doesn't open up as I'm going down the road and all my contents ends up in the middle of the coach. So that's pretty much it. She's all ready for bed. As you can see, she's out for the count. So I guess I need to get ready for bed, and I just wanted to give you a quick update. That's all I have for tonight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.